Welcome to the exciting world of Bitcoin, where online transactions are revolutionized and financial freedom is just a few clicks away. Whether you're a savvy investor or simply curious about virtual currencies, one thing's for sure: the allure of buying Bitcoin anonymously has never been more enticing. In this video, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of purchasing Bitcoin without leaving behind a digital trail. So buckle up and get ready to navigate the anonymous realm of cryptocurrency like a pro. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the US dollar or euro, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. The blockchain technology allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. Each transaction made with Bitcoin is recorded on a public ledger, ensuring transparency while maintaining privacy. One unique aspect of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it deflationary compared to fiat currencies that can be printed at will by central banks. To use Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet to store your coins securely. You can obtain Bitcoins through various methods such as mining, using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, purchasing them from exchanges, or accepting them as payment for goods and services. Bitcoin has gained popularity due to its potential for investment and its ability to facilitate quick and low-cost cross-border transactions. However, it also carries risks associated with price volatility and security breaches. Bitcoin has revolutionized the way we perceive money by providing an alternative decentralized system that offers greater control over our finances. Its unique properties make it an appealing option for those looking for anonymity when buying goods or transferring funds online. How to buy Bitcoin anonymously? When it comes to buying Bitcoin, many people are looking for ways to do so anonymously. Whether it's for privacy reasons or simply wanting to keep your financial transactions discreet, there are methods you can follow to purchase Bitcoin without revealing your identity. One way to buy Bitcoin anonymously is by using a peer-to-peer (P2P) trading platform. These platforms allow users to connect directly with each other and make transactions without the need for a middleman. By using P2P platforms, you can negotiate prices and payment methods with other individuals who are also interested in buying or selling Bitcoin. Another option is utilizing decentralized exchanges, DEX. DEXs operate on blockchain technology and don't require users to provide personal information during the registration process. This allows you to trade cryptocurrencies without leaving a digital trail that could potentially be traced back to you. For those who prefer more traditional methods, purchasing Bitcoin through cash-based options like Bitcoin ATMs or local meetups can offer anonymity as well. With cash purchases, there's no need for bank accounts or personal information tied to the transaction. Remember that while these methods may provide some level of anonymity, they're not foolproof. It's essential always to prioritize security measures such as using secure wallets and practicing good online hygiene when dealing with cryptocurrencies. If anonymity is crucial when purchasing Bitcoin, consider exploring P2P trading platforms, decentralized exchanges, or opting for cash-based options like ATMs or local meetups. Keep in mind that maintaining privacy in the world of cryptocurrency requires constant vigilance and adherence to best practices for safeguarding your assets. Conclusion: in today's digital age, privacy has become a major concern for many individuals, especially when it comes to financial transactions. Bitcoin provides an alternative solution by offering a decentralized and anonymous way to conduct online transactions. While purchasing Bitcoin anonymously may seem like a daunting task, there are several methods you can employ to ensure your privacy is protected. Using peer-to-peer exchanges or decentralized platforms can help you maintain anonymity during the buying process. These platforms allow users to trade directly with each other without the need for intermediaries or third-party verification. By eliminating these middlemen, you reduce the chances of your personal information being exposed. Another option is utilizing privacy-focused cryptocurrencies such as Monero or Zcash to purchase Bitcoin through exchanges that support them. These cryptocurrencies offer enhanced privacy features that make it difficult for anyone to trace your transactions back to you. Additionally, utilizing virtual private networks, VPNs, and Tor browsers can further enhance your anonymity when buying Bitcoin online. VPNs mask your IP address and encrypt your internet connection, making it harder for anyone to track your online activities. Tor browsers provide additional layers of encryption by routing internet traffic through multiple volunteer-operated servers around the world. It's important to note that although these methods offer increased anonymity when buying Bitcoin, they are not foolproof. It requires diligence on your part to carefully research and choose reputable platforms and take necessary precautions such as keeping wallets secure and regularly updating software. Remember, while anonymity in Bitcoin transactions offers advantages in terms of security and financial freedom, it also presents challenges in terms of regulatory compliance. Ensure that you understand the legal implications surrounding cryptocurrency usage in your jurisdiction before proceeding with anonymous purchases. In conclusion, without explicitly stating, purchasing Bitcoin anonymously is possible if you follow certain steps and utilize various tools available today. By adopting privacy-enhancing measures such as using peer-to-peer exchanges, leveraging privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, employing VPNs and Tor browsers, and staying informed about legal requirements, you can safeguard your privacy while entering the